Hey, welcome. In this lesson today, I want to talk about harmonizing a scale. And you might say, hey, what's harmonizing a scale? Basically, we take a scale, okay, like this. Here's a C scale, okay? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, so it goes from C to C. We go through the alphabet. I'm using the C scale because there are no sharps and no flats. Okay, now how do we harmonize it? Well, let's take the C. So that C is 1. Okay, then the D is 2. Yeah, E is 3. F is 4. G is 5. Okay, A is 6. B is 7, and C is the root again, 8 or 1. Okay, it's the root. Now, each note has a number. Okay, so let's do this. Now you see it up here, I hope. So let's take the 1, the 3, and the 5. Okay, so if I take the 1, 3, and the 5, the C, E, G, I have a C major chord, okay? The scale is major, so I have a major chord if I use the 1, the 3, and the 5. Now, if I take the D in the same scale, so this same scale. Now, if I go here on the D, then I do 1, 3, 5, okay? Now I have a minor chord. Don't worry about why. I'm going to give you a little bit more theory later on. Trust me, when you start playing with this, I believe you're going to be anxious to know. Okay, so the next degree, E, is also a minor chord. Okay, now the 4th degree is a major, F. The 5th degree, G, is also a major chord. And then the 6th is a minor. Now, we usually call the 6th degree the relative minor of the major scale. Okay, now, again, remember, I'm building concepts. You don't have to grasp all of this. Here is what you need to remember for this lesson right here. Okay, you ready? Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor. Okay? This is going to follow up in the next lesson that I'm going to show you on using this harmonized scale technique. So basically, what did I say? So the C is major, okay? The D is minor. The E is minor, okay? Major, minor, minor. Now the F is major, the G is major, and the A minor is minor. Okay. So remember this: major, minor, minor, major, major, minor. Okay. Now, what makes a chord a minor? Let me share this with you. What makes a chord a minor is when you take the 3rd degree. Okay. If I go 1, 3, 5. What makes that a major chord is the 3rd is a major interval. So the distance between C and the E is a major 3rd interval. I'll talk about intervals later on. What makes it a minor is the 3rd. We're going to flat the 3rd, or we're going to do a minor 3rd interval. That's what makes a C minor. Okay, here's a C major. Here's a C minor. All right. Now, if we were to run this up the neck, and this is what we're doing when we harmonize it, we're taking the difference in distance between each note. Now, the distance between when I go C and I call this 1 and the E 3, the distance between there is a major 3rd. Now, when I go to the D, the distance between the 3rd is a minor. The distance between the 3rd on the E is also a minor, okay? Now, and then of course the F is a major, the G is a major, and the A is a minor as well. Okay, now, I hope I didn't confuse you. Just remember this: major, minor, minor, major, major, minor. Okay? All right, now in the next video, I'm going to show you a little technique. We're going to use the G scale, harmonized, and I'm going to go up the scale using the E-shaped chord, okay? And I'm going to show you a little trick with your intervals to create a little bit of melody, which is going to be really cool. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. All right, hey, and until next time, keep practicing. Check out hessguitar.com for other resources. Also, check out my YouTube channel at Hess Guitar. All right.